Hey there! Today, we're going to talk about a stinky problem that all RV owners face, sewage smell. But don't worry, I've got some awesome tips to help you eliminate that nasty odor and keep your RV smelling fresh and clean. First things first, let's understand where that smell is coming from. Inside your RV, there's a tank called the black water tank, which holds all the waste from your toilet. Yuck, I know. When this tank isn't properly maintained, it can start to stink up your whole RV. Gross. But fear not, my friend, because I've got a trick up my sleeve to tackle this problem. The first step is to make sure you're using the right toilet paper. Yep, you heard me right. Not all toilet paper is created equal. You want to use RV-specific toilet paper that's designed to break down easily in the black water tank. This will prevent clogs and reduce the chance of that awful smell creeping up on you. Next, let's talk about tank treatments. These magical potions are like superheroes for your black water tank. They come in different forms, liquid, powder, or drop-ins, and they work by breaking down waste and neutralizing odors. Just add them to your tank regularly, and they'll keep that smell at bay. It's like having a secret weapon against stinkiness. Now here's a pro tip for you. Always keep your black water tank valve closed when you're not dumping it. This will prevent any odors from escaping into your RV. And when it's time to empty the tank, make sure you do it at a designated dump station. Trust me, you don't want to be that person who dumps their waste where they shouldn't. It's not only gross, but it's also illegal. So, let's be responsible RV owners, okay? Lastly, let's talk about ventilation. Good airflow is key to keeping your RV smelling fresh. Open up those windows, use vent fans, and consider investing in some air fresheners or odor absorbers. You can even make your own DIY air freshener using essential oils. Get creative and make your RV smell like a field of flowers instead of a sewer. So there you have it. With these tips, you'll be able to eliminate that RV sewage smell like a pro. Remember to use the right toilet paper, add tank treatments regularly, keep that valve closed, and let the fresh air in. Happy RVing, and may your adventures be odor-free. Thank you for watching this Everything About RVing video on getting rid of the sewer smell in an RV. Make sure to subscribe to the Everything About RVing YouTube channel by clicking the logo. You will be able to view more awesome content. Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it. Looking for more tips, tricks, and RV tales? Click on the video suggestions on the screen. Safe travels, and see you on the open road.